Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Yamaha FJ09. This triple cylinder sport touring bike just arrived with only 17,800 miles. Really cool sport windscreen, smoked. It's got the hand guards, Corbin custom leather seat, fender eliminator. Beautiful condition. This metallic white FJ09 is really gonna make you happy. Come on by and check it out. Price to sell for just $84.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.